Hey, it's Random Code here, and today I want to showcase a little setup in Java where we can check if a number is a prime number or not. But first, let's quickly define what is a prime number. A prime number is simply defined in modern mathematics as a number that's only divisible by two numbers, 1 and itself. For example, 5 is a prime number because it's only divisible by 1 and 5 without any remainders. So, for example, if we did 5 divided by 4, we get a decimal number, so it's not divisible by 5. In this setup, when we look at prime numbers, we can only look at integers. But, for example, 10 is not a prime number because it's divisible by 1, 2, 5. And simply to check, I created a simple check if prime method that simply returns a boolean if the inputted number is a prime number. So true if it is and false if it's not. And then simply to check, we simply just go from 2, starting at 2, because we know everything is divisible by 1. So we're starting from 2 and going until the halfway point or the half size of the number. So for example, if we're looking at 10, we divide by 2, so we end at 5. So we only check if 2, 3, 4, and 5 is divisible into 10, because just think about it logically, it doesn't make sense that any number larger than the halfway point would be divisible without any reminder. So 7, of course, is never going to be divisible in 10, 6 is never, 8 is never, 9 is never. So this is just a very simple and I think very good optimization. So we're only checking on like half the size numbers based on the size of the inputted number. We simply uncheck if our inputted number modulus, the number we are comparing it to, is equal to 0, which means it is divisible, then it's not a prime number and we just return false. And just quickly, modulus simply checks if we take, for example, 8 modulus 2, you would get a whole number. So we get 4 and no reminder. So this is kind of looking at the reminder. We simply check if the reminder is 0, which means it's divisible. And we're only looking at numbers between 2 and the halfway point to the number. So in this case, none of them should be divisible into the number for it to be a prime number. So it's a relatively simple setup. Check from 2 to the number divided by 2. Check if any of these are divisible with a reminder of 0. Then it's not a prime number, return false. Otherwise, if nothing matches, it's a prime number. And just to demonstrate, let me just first, I have a few printing statements just to showcase. And one thing to note, 1 is not a prime number defined in modern mathematics because I think the general definition nowadays is that you need two numbers to be divisible into this number, 1 and itself. And then 1 is not a prime number because it's 1 and 1 is already itself. So, but just general 1 is not a prime number. So I would go from 2 to 100 because technically this one would match true for 1, even though it's not a prime number, but it's more just how it's defined. 1 is technically true for this statement, but not really. So, but if we just print all the numbers from 2 to 100, and I'm only printing the prime numbers, we get 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. And I just also had a setup, which I just thought was kind of interesting. We simply just print all the numbers and then print actually the true or false statement we get from our check prime. So 2 is a prime true, 4 is not a prime, false, and so on. So you can see all the input and outputs for any given number. But this was just my quick showcase of how we can check if a number is a prime in plain Java. Simply just a simple for loop, checking if a number is have another divisor, divisible number, then it's not a prime, otherwise it is a prime. So actually quite simple. So I hope you enjoyed this quick showcase. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and I wish you all a wonderful